Understanding the role and functions of Maybank Philippines Incorporated. Good day everyone, I am Samantha Nicole Nases. We are Commercial Bank Study Proponents, and together with my groupmates, we will be discussing about Maybank Philippines Incorporated.
Corporate profile. Maybank Philippines Incorporated is a full-service commercial bank serving retail, commercial, and corporate clients. MPI offers an array of financial services and products that include lending, personal loans, commercial loans, corporate loans, deposit taking, electronic banking, credit card, cash management services, remittances, trust and fiduciary accounts, and treasury products and services. MPI is present in all the three major islands of the Philippines with an extensive network of 73 branches which are strategically located in key cities nationwide. There are a total of 29 branches in Metro Manila, the capital of the Philippines, and 44 branches in the provinces of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. These branches provide a variety of financial products and services to meet the needs of the retail and business segments. MPI is also involved in treasury operations with an emphasis on money market operations and foreign exchange trading, as well as trust services, and is complemented by a secure and convenient digital banking platform. Maybank Philippines Incorporated is one of Asia's leading banking groups and Southeast Asia's fourth largest bank by assets. Maybank Philippines firm history. MPI is Southeast Asia's fourth largest bank by assets with total assets amounting to 101,161,762,643 pesos as of 2020, and has exactly 73 branches and 90 off-site and on-site ATMs nationwide. Maybank Philippines Incorporated has 1,284 total employees across all the locations, and there are 216 companies in the Maybank Philippines Incorporated corporate family. Maybank Philippines Incorporated is established with the acquisition by Maybank of a 60% stake in PNB Republic Bank and started operation in November 1997 as a full-service commercial bank licensed by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or Central Bank of the Philippines. But in the year 2000, Maybank increased its ownership stake in Maybank Philippines Incorporated to 99.96%. Making it the first locally incorporated, full-service commercial bank duly licensed by the BSP to be almost 100% owned by a foreign bank. And during the year 2010, Maybank infused an additional of $50 million to support further business growth, with the opening of 5 new branches in 2010 and 4 in 2011 to 2012. Maybank's branch network expanded to 54 nationwide. And in the year 2013, Maybank Group further infused $100 million equity into MPI, the largest infusion to date, Maybank 2E Regional Cash, a state-of-the-art web-based corporate internet banking platform designed to serve cash management clients in the region, is introduced in the country.
Good day everyone, this is Alexandra Rodessa M. Garcia and this is Maybank's Vision and Mission. Vision: to be premier investment and securities brokerage of choice in the Philippines. Mission: we are committed to provide the best investment banking and stock brokerage services and solutions to our clients. Our services are world-class, providing comprehensive, customer-centric, timely, and value-added solutions. We leverage on our in-depth knowledge, relationships, and regional financial services network towards creating wealth for our clients and society. Next is the Maybank's core values. Here we believe in the core Tiger values. Teamwork. We work together as a team based on mutual respect and dignity. Integrity. We are honest, professional, and ethical in our dealings. Growth. We are passionate and constant improvement and innovation. Excellence and efficiency. We are committed to delivering outstanding performance and superior services. And lastly, relationship building. We continuously build long-term and mutually beneficial partnerships. Again, that's core Tiger values.
Good day, I am Krista Maydilla and I'm here to discuss the ownership structure and the board of directors of Maybank Philippines Incorporated. Maybank Philippines Incorporated is a subsidiary of Malayan Banking Berhad, probably known as Maybank, which is originally located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. According to Investopedia, a subsidiary is a company that belongs to another company, which is usually referred to as the parent company or the holding company. In 1997, MPI was established with the acquisition of Maybank of a 60% stake in PNB Republic Bank. In the year 2000, Maybank increased its ownership stake in Maybank Philippines Incorporated to 99.96% shares, making it the first locally incorporated full-service commercial bank duly licensed by the BSP to be almost 100% owned by the foreign bank. In the year 2017, MPA recorded an all-time high profit before tax of 1.5 billion on the back of sustained growth in the core business, raised 2 billion tayo into capital by a sub-loan drawdown from parent bank. MPI pursued an aggressive yet highly strategic branch expansion campaign which allowed the bank current branch network to grow to 74. Fauziah Hisam started her banking career with the Chase Manhattan Bank in Malaysia, now known as JP Morgan Chase Bank Berhad. Fauziah Hisam was appointed director of MPI in September 2018 and subsequently elected as chairman in April 2019. She also sits as an independent, non-executive director of the Maybank Group and serves as a member of the Group Risk Management Committee, Nomination and Remuneration Committee, and Credit Review Committee. Fauziah is an associate member of the Institute of Chartered Secretaries and Administrators, United Kingdom. Fauziah also sits on the board of Hengwan Refining Company Berhad, HBOC Technologies, SDN Berhad, and Agency Counseling Dan Pengurusan Credit. She has over 30 years of experience in the banking industry, having worked in 3 foreign-owned financial institutions throughout her career. Chung Wai-hong was appointed as the CEO of Maybank Philippines Incorporated on November 2017 up to the present. But before that, he was the first appointed and served as the head of financial services in Maybank Singapore. He experienced financial services professional internationally with a track record in the financial services industry. He is skilled in banking, credit analysis, retail banking, commercial banking, digital, and general management. He had a strong finance experience with a master's in business administration and master of science trained ontological coach for personal and executive development.
Here are the board of directors of Maybank Philippines Incorporated. Puli Sim Shuhong. She was appointed director of MPI in 2013. Datuk Lim Hong Tat. He was reinstated as a member of MPI's board of directors in 2014. Manuel N. Tordesillas. He has been elected as a member of MPI's board of directors on March 2018. Renato T. D. Guzman. He became a director of Maybank Philippines Incorporated on March 2016. Attorney Ray C. Espinosa. He assumed the position of director of the MPI board on March 2016. Simon S. Ung. He assumed the position of director of the MPI board on December 2019. Jesus Roberto S. Reyes. He was elected independent director of the MPI board on September 2020. Lastly, Fauziah Hisam. She is the chairman of the board.
Good Good day, I'm Julina de Puntillas, and I will now elaborate and explain some of the products and services that Maybank Philippines have. Maybank offers an array of financial services and products including personal banking, business banking, and trade finance. For personal banking has savings account, let's now proceed and identify the type of savings account that Maybank Philippines offer. Savings account, it has classic savings account, a regular passbook-based savings account with a pre-regional ATM card that provides you the convenience of accessing your funds anytime, anywhere. Simply maintain a minimum balance of 10,000 to enjoy interest. The second one is Team Savings Account, a savings account for young teens between the age of 13 to 17 years old with a built-in personal accident insurance and medical reimbursement benefit. Simply maintain a minimum balance of 500 to keep the account active. The third one is CP Savings Account. 1 month Islamic fixed deposit rate from your savings account subject to 1 withdrawal per month for 6 consecutive months. A degree level subject to a minimum account balance of 500. The last is Save and Protect Savings Account. You save for the future, but the future holds a lot of uncertainties. Protect yourself with a unique savings account that provides you with free life insurance benefits while your savings grow. Simply maintain 50,000 in ADB to enjoy this for free. Checking account, it has classic checking account with the minimum maintained balance of 10,000. Access your funds through your checkbook or through a regional ATM card that allows you to transact at any Maybank ATM within the region. The second one is Premier One Checking Account. It has a multi-access through a checkbook and regional ATM card. It's more than your regular checking account. The third one is Business Checking Account because the needs and demand of business enterprises are not the same as individual. Maybank's Business Checking Account is designed to give corporation and SME the fund access that they require with the interest rate 0.25%. Classic Time Deposit Account. With the Maybank Classic Time Deposit Account, you can start an investment 25,000 as the minimum initial placement. Advantage Flex Time Deposit, a unique time deposit account that provides you with the opportunity to maximize your yield by guaranteeing the base while allowing the interest to increase during the placement, 50,000 and 20% withholding tax. And the last is Advantage 5-year time deposit, a long-term time deposit that gives you maximum yield on your investment with a guaranteed fixed rate, tax-free, and except from withholding tax for individual, your interest earnings are kept virtually intact. ATM and cash card for personal banking are one of the products and services that offer Maybank in the Philippines. ATM and cash card, it has money to you ATM, no minimum balance requirement, minimum ADB to earn interest 10,000. The second one is Maybank ATM card with multiple points of access. The Maybank ATM card is more than just an ATM card. It allows you to access your fund through Maybank ATM and local ATM network such as BankNet, Illegalink, and ExpressNet. And for loan, it has auto loan. Maybank offers auto loan for brand new cars, used car, auto loan refinancing, and cash loan. The second one is personal loan. Maybank's personal loan is unsecured personal loan and does not require any collateral and guarantor. This personal loan has a fixed monthly repayment schedule. It has up to 1 million loanable amount, flexible payment term of up to 36 months, a competitive add-on rate per month. The third one is Maxi Home Loan. Maxi Home Loan helps you to buy your dream home, whether it's a townhome, a condo, or house and lot. Your age plus term of the loan should not be more than 65 years old. Once the loan matures, the lastly is Retail SME Loan. It has revolving credit line and term loan. Revolving credit line for short-term working capital needs that can be used for inventory build-up and for liquidating receivable. Term loan for long-term working capital requirements that can be financed your business expansion, acquisition of fixed asset, machinery equipment, and other business development projects. Business loan, it has revolving per credit line. If you need flexibility to draw down a portion of approved loan amount and repay the loan as often as you can, Maybank has revolving credit line for you. Validity of the loan is until 1 year from the date of approval. The second one is Maybank provides you the flexibility to choose between less than 360-day short-term loan or the 3 to 10-year long-term loan. You can use term loan for the following project financing: modernization of facilities, acquisition of goods and services, and business expansion. The third one is contract to sell. The contract to sell financing facility for real estate developer is a credit assistance that provides liquidity to real estate developer through purchase of receivable from individual home buyer, covered with the contract to sell on residential housing project. Domestic bills purchase line. Availing of the domestic bill purchase line will let you replenish your day-to-day working capital requirements via the outright purchase of your customer local check. Maybank will not require any collateral for the facility. Validity of the loan is until 1 year from the date of approval. Loans against holdout on deposit. Expand your capital requirements by borrowing against your Maybank peso or USD savings or time deposit account. The deposit equivalent to your loan amount will be held until maturity of loan. The lastly is development loan. With Maybank developmental loan, you can loan up to 60% of the appraised value of the project property with a maximum term of up to 5 years. Maybank has offered products and services for trade finance including export, import, and other financial services. For export, it has Export Advance Line. With Maybank Export Advance Line, exporter like you will be able to finance purchase and prepare the good for shipment. We will assign export letter of credit or purchase order and advance to you to proceed of the export shipment negotiated through the bank. The second one is Bills Purchase Line. Availing of the domestic Bills Purchase Line will let you to replenish your day-to-day working capital requirements via the outright purchase of your customer local check. The lastly is LC Discounting Line. As an exporter with Maybank LC Discounting Line, we will guarantee the money you will be paid for the goods you have shipped overseas. And for import, it has letter of credit. An import letter of credit is a commitment that Maybank will give to pay your supplier on your behalf while goods are still in transit. Payment to your supplier will only be made if we receive a full set of documents as stipulated in the agreement. Not only are you using one of the most secure payment method, an import letter of credit also enables you to enhance your credit position and increase your negotiating power. The second one is Trust Receipt Line. By availing of this facility, you will be able to settle your payment obligation and take possession of your good immediately without having to make full payment until the end of the financing period. The lastly is SIP site ban. When your seller requests for the bank guarantee or SIP site ban to release the goods, Maybank may issue one for you. When you fail to settle the obligation, the seller will claim from the bank guarantee the Maybank issue. And for other trade finance services, it has Trade Connect. Trade Connect is designed to increase the efficiency of the processing trade finance transaction application while delivering a highly efficient system for reporting and tracing the status of the transaction and its document. The second one is Standby Letter of Credit. A standby letter of the credit can be issued to either both a local or foreign party. This facility is only available for Maybank customer with a trade facility or have an existing deposit holdout.
I am May Julia Data, and I will discuss about the role of Maybank Philippines Incorporated in the Philippine financial system. Maybank Philippines Incorporated is a full-service commercial bank, service retail, commercial, and corporate clients. Maybank Philippines offers an array of financial services and products that includes lending, deposit taking, electronic banking, credit cards, cash management services, remittances, trust and fiduciary account, treasury, and products and services. Maybank Philippines also offers an extensive range of products and services which includes consumer and corporate banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, stockbroking, insurance, and takaful and asset management. Maybank Philippines Incorporation boosts the economy by providing the consumers essential service and helps create capital and liquidity in the market. They also play a role in the creation of credit. If commercial banks like Maybank Philippines does not exist, our economy will fall. Without commercial banks, we will not be able to have loans for house and car. We wouldn't have money to buy the things we need. With over 20 years of operations in the Philippines, the bank has primed itself for providing exceptional services to its clients. Maybank Philippines values education, community empowerment, arts and culture, healthy living, and disaster relief. Maybank Philippines Incorporated also prioritizes employees' engagement, talent and leadership, learning and development, diverse and inclusive workplace. Maybank Philippines Incorporated also commits to focus on their customers, digitalization, product stewardship, and environment.